You can easily just slide this.
Perfect.
So this is what we are looking like without anything adjusted, you guys. This looks so nice. And it like low-key follows you. Hey. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I don't really have, I have a light. Let me see if we go. That's the only light that I'm getting. It's a gloomy day, so this is kind of like what you're gonna get on just turning on the camera and pressing record. So yeah, looks pretty good. You can adjust the exposure. I'm just gonna, it says push joystick to control zoom, move slider in and out. Yeah, it's just giving me like, you know, stuff, but I'm trying to see if I can adjust the exposure. Okay, so it's on 0.0 exposure right now, and I'm just going to, oh no, we didn't want to zoom in. Okay, so let's see. No, stay in the middle. Oh lordy, we're having trouble, technical difficulties. So I'm trying to, there we go. So this is it's touchscreen, so this is like me adjusting it down to like 1. There we go. You just double click the joystick and it'll recenter you. So this is me adjusting it back down to like EV negative 1.0 because I felt like the other one was a little too bright, but this is like perfect. I'm at 1080p 30, so not bad when you adjust it to negative. This is straight out of the box. Also, I did put the little extender grip on it, not the battery one, but just the one that, just to give me a little bit more, because I feel like it holds in the hand better with that. Without it, you're like holding it like this. But yeah, we're looking good. I'm gonna set this down and see if it will follow me. I don't think I turned the tracking on. Oh no, I didn't turn the tracking on. Let me see if this is the button right here. There we go. Active tracking enabled. So one thing that's super cool about this camera is the fact that it could track you, and it's pretty quick. Like, really nice. Let's go on this side so you guys can get some light. The sensor on this is a 1-inch sensor, so it does. That's why I still have it on negative 1.0, and it does track pretty well. Like, and I think the picture profile straight out of the camera looks super good. I'm not really that good with the log footage. I know this does 10-bit log footage, which is great, but this is just like more of like a normal vlogger, straight out of the package, hands-on type of tutorial. I love this track. This is so dope. And then I'm gonna turn it off. We don't need it. Exit. There we go. And now we're back to normal. Quality you get straight out of the camera is amazing. And like, let me see if I can flip it. It comes on out the box facing the other way, but facing, you know, your eye view, but you can mess with the settings and get it to where when it turns on, it starts on, you know, you like selfie, which I'm gonna have to go through this camera and like adjust everything because like we learning together. I just flipped the camera to show y'all how the panning looks like amazing. To my knowledge, you can change how slow the pan will move. And this, I'm not like an expert at this gimbal stuff, but it's on a gimbal, so you shouldn't have to do too much work. This is kind of giving you like some of the how stable it is up close, and then we come, oh, let's do it slower. Then we come out. I'm in front of a window right now. Even though it's a gloomy day, a lot of light is coming in, so this sensor does pick up a lot of light. This is also, the audio is coming straight out of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I'm gonna see about the, let's grab it. It doesn't have like, you don't have to plug in anything to the DJI. You literally just have to just turn this on. I hope it's charged up. Everything is out the box, y'all. It's gonna press this red button and see if we get some action. Oh, here we go. So it vibrated. It turned on. It says DJI trying to connect it and use for audio input. 60% battery remaining. So I believe we are connected now. Yes. Oh, perfect. So the audio might sound different. It does have a clip on the back. So let's clip it to the shirt. You also get a magnet in the creator kit. So if you don't want it to be like right on your neck, let's stand this up. Oh, don't be falling on me. Don't fall on me. You knew. So this is with the transmitter clip. And then I'm going to put the magnet in the shirt. I'm going to put it down lower. And then I'm just going to, very snug too. So now it's on the shirt. It's not like all up in the shot. And I'm pretty sure there's other ways you could do this, like hiding it and all that type of stuff. You have another shirt underneath or on the side, wherever you want to clip. You have a jacket, you can put your jacket over, all that good stuff. But I think that's like really unique, and it's very, very snug. Like I tried it together, and it was a little tug to take it off. So now let's do a low light test. So I'm walking into the bathroom. This is like literally with no light, besides the light that's coming from that door. Let's turn this way. So if you do have like a light source, this is what you're going to get in a dark bathroom. And this is with EV negative, mind you, this is with negative 1.0. So let me just turn the EV back up. I don't know if that's going to make a difference, but now the exposure is at 0.0. And then if I close the door, like you still can see me. You get what I'm saying? Like it's the only thing supporting a little bit of light is this night light that automatically comes on. But this is what you're going to get, which is pretty good considering I am in the dark. Okay. Standard picture profile, you guys. So yeah, open the door back up. And that's what this is giving. Let's go back. Turn this EV down. I still feel like I'm just super bright. Don't like that. -1. There we go. I'm at -1. I feel like that's good. I'm probably gonna add an extra, some more clips on here of me doing like some outside shooting for you guys, so you can see how it looks outside. I do have the wide angle lens that I want to attach to this, so I'll probably do that when the sun comes out, and then we'll add it on to this video so you guys can see. This is just, I just wanted to give you guys a video that's from more of like a, you know, very beginner, straight out of the box. You don't know too much about log. You have to play around with the settings because we're doing this as we go. I know a lot of videos that I was watching, a lot of people were like that are more professional. They were showing off this gadget, and I was just like, that's a little too advanced for me. like I'm good at tech, but I'm still beginner. Like I gotta give me a few days to work with it and see the ins and outs. So yeah, definitely love it. So far about the quality, I think it's amazing. And this is just from the screen, so I can only imagine what it's gonna look like when I edit this video. So here is what both cameras look like. In standard picture profile. I just wanted to show you guys how they look in comparison, because the ZV-E one is like usually my standard vlogging camera that I like to use, and then on the right is the DJI on this side. So both of the audio is coming from straight out of the cameras. This is the Sony ZV-E1 audio straight out the camera, and this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 straight out of the camera. So I wanted to give you guys like my main two vlogging cameras. The colors, science does look a little different. You can also alter that if you want to, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like compared to a full frame, kind of like higher end camera versus the compact one. You guys can see it's overcast now, but again, I'm in 1080p at 30 frames per second. This is the standard picture profile. The exposure is set to 0.0. So straight out of the camera still. I'm not using the mic. I'm actually just filming on board with the mic on board. But yeah, it's not raining, so I was like, let's come outside. But just to highlight some key features about this, I absolutely love this. Straight out of the box. I mean, I seen that like when it came out, I was like, I'm definitely going to love that. There's so many things you can do with this, and I just love how it's on a gimbal and it's smooth. And like, I'm gonna do a run test for y'all, okay? Just a little quick something. So y'all can see the stability on it. So that's a little quick run for y'all. No, but this thing is so nice. Like I said, I'm in E0.0 exposure. I'm gonna bring it down some to my -1 because I do feel like it's kind of bright, and this is at -1.0. So yeah, just to highlight some key features. If you get the creator combo, I love the fact that it comes with a mic. The mic also comes with a magnet, which is super cool because if you want to hide the mic or you want to put it a little bit lower and you don't want to clip it up, you can definitely do that. It also has an attachment so you can add a smaller mic that you can, you know, clip right here instead of it just being that big piece. I can't think of the name right now. But this camera does come with a wide angle lens. I do love that about this as well. What else came? It had a strap that it came with in the creator combo kit. It did come with a attachment to a wind, what is that called? A wind screen to go over the mic. I didn't add that in there, but it wasn't no wind in the house, so I really didn't need to attach that. But if it is a windy day, you could definitely use the mic with the wind attachment, and that'll block out some of the wind sounds. So what else is in this combo kit? I like the holder that it comes in because it gives you a and it just feels more stable than just having this in the little pouch. Granted, I do like the pouch that it comes in, but I also like the carrying case, the holder. There's so many other settings that you can do on this, like shooting in 4K, and like I said, the 10-bit D-Log footage. I have to like go into it and kind of play around with it, but I just wanted to show y'all like out of the box type of footage and stuff like that for those of you who don't care about none of that and y'all just want to see how I look from somebody who's just regular camera person. I love how it came with like a little stand just in case you want to stand it up and talk. Also, it had two smaller attachments, one which is just an extender, which is really handy because if not, you have to hold this by the back piece versus holding it as a grip. And then the battery pack, the extra battery pack that it came with is dope because this already charges super fast. I charged it with my iPhone charger, and like when I looked down, it was already at 100%. I'm like, dang. And I think it was like half a battery once I was messing around with it. It charges really quick, and then the battery pack is even better because then before you know it, if you're running low, you can go ahead and add that on there and get your footage. So I do love that it came with that as well. And then the bag itself, like once again, this is not waterproof or water sealed, and even where you put your SIM card, it's a little bit open, but at the end of the day, if it's not bad weather conditions, you have nothing to really much worry about. The SIM card is not included. You gotta buy your own. I did link it below though. Like the one that I bought, I think it's a pretty good one. It tells me I have like 14 hours of record time, so that's like crazy. But I will definitely be testing this out more, and if you guys want to see vlogs with this or see me attempt to try to color grade and all that other stuff, just leave it in the comments because I'll do that. I love techie stuff. I'm not a professional, but I do know a little something. But yeah, this is just the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's exactly what it's intended. I inserted the clip so you guys can see a comparison between my main vlogging camera, which is the Sony ZV-E1. Love that camera. It's a full frame. I did the comparison so you guys can see what it would look like compared to that. Different color science, but overall great picture quality. I used to use the Sony ZV-1. I still have that one, but I like that more for like B-roll footage and just like really a grab and go type of deal. Like if I am in a crunch and nothing is charged or something, I'll just be like, okay, let's get this. But I would prefer to use that. It has its place in my arsenal. It has its own little section now. But for now, my main two will be the Sony ZV-E1 and this DJI Pocket 3. Main two cameras for sure. This is at an extended arm's reach, and then this is like kind of up close. I think the lens, the built-in lens, is at like a 20 mm, which is super good. I mean, it's definitely enough to capture everything, especially if you kind of extend out and kind of give it a little twirl. I think the only thing I'm missing is the DJI OSMO Action 4. I definitely want an action camera, because I think if you have a compact camera, like a regular vlogging camera, and then you have like something simple like this, which is super light, it's lighter than my Sony ZV-E1, much more pocketable, DJI Pocket 3. If you have these two, just these two will get you by, seriously. Or any compact DSLR for that much, and then this if you just want something that you can slide into your pocket. But the Action 4, adding that into it just takes it up to another level, because once again, I don't even think the Sony ZV-E1 is water sealed, so, or weatherproof. So when it comes to like snow, rain, maybe going into the water, you definitely want an action camera for that. And I think once I get that, it's complete. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love this. I love this. I love this. And don't forget to like it. I will leave any links. I will leave my links below. They are affiliate links. So if you do choose to purchase through that, that really help me out a lot, so I can continue to make, you know, videos for you guys, or certain videos if you guys are interested in some certain content, because I have like a handful of stuff on my channel. But I definitely wanted to let you guys know how this rolls. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch y'all in the next one.